Okay, I just entered SPY puts. So I entered while this candle is moving, and my stop loss is up here because that is a swing high, as well as the 90 MA is right there. Right now price is still consolidating, so we have not broken low of day just yet. Price is showing weakness in this area right here, so this is definitely the level to break to show us a stronger continuation down. Because of the theta, price is going sideways, so that's why the contracts is getting like more negative. So even if price is not going anywhere, the contract can still go negative. So you want to be very careful as to choose the right contract for your trades. All right, let's see if we have a follow through downward. We are starting to show a bit of strength. All right, we finally have a stronger push downward. Do we have a close below this level? The only indicator I use on my chart is the 90 MA, and other than that, I really just watch price action and evaluating price based on the candlesticks. I'm going to move my stop loss to the 90 MA right there because 1, it's inside consolidation, and then 2, it's around the high of this breakout candle. It should not have a total reversal candlestick pattern right now. If it does, then it shows weakness, but that will still be my stop loss right there. Let's see how price reacts to this 90 MA if it like blows through. You can see a rejection from that candlestick, so there's some kind of like buying and selling in that area. You just have to kind of wait to see how the candlestick wants to move. So you can see this selling going on right now. That huge rejection with that wick, we are starting to see the selling continue lower. So right now we could be consolidating again, because you can see from the past 3 candles it's basically sideways right now. So even more so, this is a really good stop loss for me because that is consolidation high. Now we have a level right there to break. You can see it keeps rejecting that level. It's consolidation low. A good observation is that price is staying below the 90 MA. Every single candlestick is closing below it. So even though we are wicking at the 9, we are still rejecting it to go lower. So that is a good sign of a bear trend. I don't have any incoming support right here. So the next one is all the way down here. So there's potential for price to come to this level, but I never assumed that. So I'm really just playing all this by ear. All right, looks like we have a strong breakout. Now all we have to do is wait for a close below it to show continued strength. So very nice strong candle. Now I will move my stop loss right here. So that's just like that, just this area where I see a lot of rejections from the candlesticks. Right now with that very strong candle, price should not break above that high. There's some buying in that area, that wick right there. Move my stop loss right there. So I'm really just trailing my stop loss now to the high of the candlesticks, since this is a very vertical movement downward. Now price is closer to the next psychological level, 586. So just another whole number really. There's quite a bit of retracement lately from SPY. So after the whole election week, we had very bullish moves, and then it looks like right now we're having a much bigger pullback. I like to hold all my contracts till I really exit my trade. So if you like to exit partially, you could exit as price pushes down. I want to see if I should move my stop loss. Right here we do see a lot of strong candles going down, but this more recent candle doesn't look very bullish. Like we have a lot of strength going down. So I'm just going to move it to the next candlestick high. All right, we're incoming into this support area. So price could either bounce from it or it could blow right through if we have a very strong downtrend. Like the next few moments are going to have to be very carefully thought out because I don't want to be too greedy and just hold my trade. If I start to see weakness, I'm going to start exiting. All right, I'm going to exit my position right now. All right, I just exited my position. I don't want to risk it. It may flow through. Price may end up trending for the whole day, but I never know how far price may go. So I just exited my full position. It looks pretty good now. Looks like it's a little bullish here, but really good day. Only in this trade a couple minutes. Good enough. I think I'm done.